Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product we discovered online, the Samlex Portable Solar Charging Kit 90W. You can find the link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Samlex Portable Solar Charging Kit? This compact solar panel system is designed to harness the sun's energy and convert it into usable power, making it an essential tool for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities or needs reliable power on the go. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this kit. First and foremost, it boasts a maximum output of 90 watts, which is sufficient for charging various devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even small appliances. The kit comes with high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panels, ensuring that you maximize energy absorption and conversion. Another notable feature is its lightweight and portable design. Weighing in at just around 20 pounds, this solar charging kit is easy to transport, making it perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or even emergency backup power. The included carrying case adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing for easy storage and transport. The kit also includes a charge controller, which protects your devices from overcharging and ensures a stable power supply. This is particularly important when you're relying on solar power, as fluctuations in sunlight can affect performance. The user-friendly setup makes it accessible for those who may not be tech-savvy, allowing you to start charging your devices in just a few simple steps. So, who is this product suitable for? Well, if you're an outdoor enthusiast, whether you love camping, hiking, or fishing, the Samlex Portable Solar Charging Kit is a game-changer. It allows you to stay connected and powered up without relying on traditional power sources. Additionally, it's great for RV owners or individuals who enjoy road trips, providing a sustainable way to keep your devices charged while on the move. Practical use cases for this solar charging kit are endless. Imagine being out in nature,